Hey beautiful people, DUWAIN-SCENT is here. I have a very exciting unboxing today. And the unboxing is a fragrance that is a clone of a very famous fragrance, and that is none other than Creed Aventus. And I guess you know what fragrance is this. It is Club the Nuit Intense. Alright, so let's get started with this unboxing. Alright, so you have diamond bead sticker here. Alright, you have Club the Nuit Intense on the side. On the next side you have a sticker, Armaf. At the bottom you have the patch code, and this is 2019 version. Alright, nice buckle, feel very authentic. You have Armaf on the top. Alright, so right as the opening you have another logo, Armaf again. Then you have Armaf original all the way around. Alright, so let's pull this box. So here is the beauty fragrance bottle. Alright, so that's it. Yes, on the back you have Armaf, sterling perfume and ingredients. Alright, so this is the bottle. Have a nice little weight to it. Alright, you have a chain with Armaf, and you have the little diamond bead, Club the Nuit Intense, and you have a sticker with Armaf again, Club the Nuit Intense. Alright, on the cap you have diamond beads all around, and this is the new formulation with the atomizer. On top of the atomizer you have Armaf engraved. Alright, I'm very excited to have this in my collection. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Alright. Alright, nice distribution. Wow, lovely, lovely scent, lovely scent, lovely scent, lovely scent. Alright, I can smell the lemon and pineapple. Honestly, I never smelled Creed Aventus before, but this smells very nice, very masculine. I see my Uncle Glenn wearing this. Alright, I'm really glad to have this in my collection. So this is the unboxing of Club the Nuit Intense, and this is the 100 ml and you can get this on Amazon for $25 to $30 depending on the seller. Alright, that's my video.